What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Jetson's Toy Reviews. So, today, this is going to be a short video. We are going to open 2 of these packs, but we are going to do this one last, because I'm feeling lucky in that one. This one we're going to do right now. So let's get started. Okay. I open that. Hey, this one's tricky to open. Okay. Okay, open that. Wait, I'm not even opening it. Yeah, I get sold? What the? What the? Can't open it. Bro, I can't open it. There. Got it. Okay, okay, let's see what we get. Hold on, let me look through it. Okay. 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 Let's go! Let's go! Guys, we got a rare one! I can't believe it! We just had another rare one. Hold on. Alright, guys, we are back. So we got the start. The start. The start. The start. This card, this card, this card, and this card, and this card, and this card. Oh, we got one! We got a real one. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Look at that! Let's go! Let's go! Now on to the final pack. Hold on. Alright, guys, let me get this in order. I can't believe that! Let's go! Okay. Alright, this is our final pack. I've been waiting for this one. Alright, let's open it. How do you open that? How do you open this? If they make this one harder to open... I will stop it. Hold on, guys. Sorry, this is getting a bit long to open. What's that noise, guys? No. Hold on, guys. We're getting it. We're getting it opened. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. And let's see what Pokemon we get. Let's hold on. I just really want to do anything good. Oh! Alright, guys. Before we end this, we also need to review these hearts. I just wanted to say something. That's the other side. That's the other side. Where's the set that I just opened? Over here. Yep, yeah, we got a rare one. It's like so rare. And we got this one, 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 and then this one, then not last week, this one more. I can't believe that. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Before we end this, I just wanted to show you something. I got these Pokemons from Sheen, and I wanted to show you guys these. So, yeah. You better not leave the video. You better not leave it. Alright. So, we got Snorlax. We got this one. This one. Oh no! This one. This one. This one. The 3, 2, 1. This one. One more. Wait, where are they? Oh, it's right here. And one final one. Yeah, a Japanese one out of a machine. Guys, you don't realize how rare that is. It is like so rare, and I don't even know what it is, but I know it's rare. That thing is like so freaking rare. Like, oh my god. That thing is like so freaking rare. That's not even funny. It's not even funny because, guys, that thing is so rare that, like, you guys wouldn't understand it. You guys would not understand it. You guys would actually not understand it. Yeah. So, that is the, end of the video. So, I hope, you had a good time. But before I end this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Like, make sure you subscribe with those notification bells on. Comment below if you liked it or not. Yeah. So I hope you had a good time. Please subscribe. Please like. Please subscribe with notifications on. I really appreciate it. So, ba 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 ba. Peace. Oh, I paused it. Huh? Oh, I'm doing